What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following along and if you've been watching my previous videos, you might remember my fall trends edit, and today I wanted to show you the latest pieces that actually made the move into my wardrobe this season. Most of the pieces that I'm going to show you in this video are from high street brands, so if you're interested in that, grab a cup of coffee and let's get right into it. Let me start with an update on the Suede blazer. I finally found one at Massimo Dutti in this beautiful dark brown shade. I found it in a boutique in Vienna. There was just this one piece hanging there right at the entrance, exactly in my size, so I think this was a sign, right? I like that this one looks more like a blazer rather than a jacket and reminded me a lot of the Sambas London or the Source Unknown blazer that I've mentioned before. But this one definitely comes with the best price tag and it's also real leather. My boyfriend also was lucky at Massimo Dutti and he also found a very nice suede leather jacket in a bit more lighter brown shade, and I think this is also a really nice one, so I'm probably gonna be stealing this once in a while. Next to suede blazer, vintage looking oversized leather jackets are the big thing this fall, and I was browsing a lot, but unfortunately I couldn't find any model in real leather that I liked. So I ended up getting this mango fake leather jacket here. To be honest, I usually try to stay away from PU jackets like this one here, and I prefer to invest in more high quality natural materials such as real leather instead. But as I simply didn't find any leather version in a design that I liked, I thought that I would give this one a try. The advantage is that this one here you can also wear when it's raining, where I would be worried if it would be real leather. And what I also like about this one is that the inside is padded, which makes it super warm and cozy. Generally this one is quite comfortable to wear as it's not that stiff and heavy as real leather jackets often are, especially in the beginning. You need to wear them down to death until they get finally buttery smooth. Regarding the sizing, this one comes quite oversized. I initially ordered this one in a size medium, but I swapped it for a small then instead because it was way too oversized for me. I was drowning in that jacket, and also the sleeves were way too long. It just looked a little bit too bulky, even though this one also already looks bulky, but that's like the right amount of bulky, if you know what I mean. Next up we have a blazer, also from Mango, not in a chocolate brown shade that I was actually looking for and I didn't find yet, but I couldn't resist this tone here as it's simply too good. It's the perfect cool dark beige tone. I think the color is called brownie, but it goes a little bit into the grayish direction. And I also got the matching waistcoat. I think this is such a pretty set. Unfortunately, the tailored pants didn't work for me at all. Somehow Mango trousers just don't fit my body shape. I'm really happy with this set. I think it's actually working for all year round. Even though it has 41% wool content, it's not too thick and not too heavy, so it will also be perfectly fine for wearing in spring. For reference, in this set I'm wearing a size small in both of the pieces. Then I also got this oversized chocolate brown coat, also a wool mix with 54% wool content. This one also comes in two more shades, a light beige and a black one. It's a pretty classic straight fit with drop shoulders, and I got this one in a size medium. I was considering to size down to a small, but actually I think it's fine because if it's a little bit bigger, I still have more room left to wear some thicker knitwear underneath. Literally the perfect everyday staple piece, and I absolutely love this warm brown color. As if one brown coat wouldn't be enough, I got a second one from Weekday. This one is obviously a lot darker than the Mango one, and it comes with a little bit more exaggerated silhouette. It is a lot longer and also has shoulder pads. It's also a wool blend with 48% wool content, but it's actually a lot thicker and heavier than the Mango one. I initially only planned to keep one, but I couldn't help myself as they're quite different though, so I actually decided to keep both. What do you think, guys? Do you see a difference too, or do you think it's absolutely unnecessary to keep two brown coats? Let me know in the comments. Next up we have this pair of dark brown suede boots, also from Massimo Dutti. I actually only own two pairs of high boots and both of them are black, so I thought it would be nice to expand my shoe closet with a brown pair. And as I don't own any suede model yet, I thought that these ones would be a good addition. I like that silver metal detail here, which is also removable in case it doesn't go well with the outfit, which I find very practical. I did not wear them out yet, but my first impression from trying them on at home is actually really good. good. It feels like they're going to be comfortable as the leather is very soft. Somehow we could make the theme of this video so nice I bought it twice, as of course I couldn't decide and also had to order the other brown boot model from Massimo Dutti again. This one comes in smooth leather though, but again with a little strappy detail with a golden clasp this time, which is also removable. This pair obviously reminds me a lot of the Hermès jumping boots, so in case you're looking for a more affordable alternative that still comes in a good quality, I think these ones here are a very nice option. If you had to decide which pair would you keep, I think I'm probably going to keep both, but I'm actually not sure if it makes that much sense to have two pairs of brown boots. Not an easy decision. Also, Chanel has launched a pair of brown high boots lately, and what shall I say, I fell in love with them in the second I saw them for the first time. Let's see if I will be so lucky to find them in a boutique and actually end up with 3 pairs of brown boots. Well, I think your girl needs help. Back to ready to wear, I got another jacket that is definitely out of my fashion comfort zone. I've already mentioned in my fall trends video that Leopard is celebrating its comeback this year, but to be honest, I've never really been that much of an animal print kind of girl. But I somehow did like the faux fur jacket that Zara has currently in their collection, so I decided to give it a try, and to my surprise, I actually really like this one. I think the color combo is really pretty as it's quite muted and not too orange. Another model I've seen online that I liked is the one from Unreal Fur, but I would not spend more than 900 euros for such a trend piece, as I'm not sure if I will actually end up wearing this a lot, so the Zara one is a perfect one to give this trend a try. What do you think, guys? Are you team leopard fake fur jackets, or do you actually think that this trend is horrible? I would love to know your thoughts. If you watched my Vienna shopping vlog, you know this jacket here already. It reminded me a lot of the Totem one, but in my opinion it does not look like a knockoff, as it comes without the scarf and it's actually a lot shorter, and you get this one for a fraction of the price, of course. It comes in 3 colors. I decided for the colorway taupe, but it also comes in a dark gray, which I also find very beautiful, and a warm rusty brown. Again, a piece that will also perfectly work for the spring season, paired with white jeans or tailored pants and a pair of sneakers, for example. Very easy to style. Another piece I found at Bräuninger is this chocolate brown satin skirt from Europe. I cannot remember that I've actually ever purchased something from this brand yet. This skirt was just randomly suggested to me on the website when I was adding the jacket to my cart. And as the color obviously spoke to me, I ordered this one too, and I actually have to say that I really like it. For me, it's actually not so easy to find a skirt of this style that flatters my body, but this one here really has a perfect fit. I've also seen a more price-friendly alternative to this one at Mango. The color looks very similar, at least on the photos. I will make sure to leave you a link in the description box of this video to both of the models in case you're interested. I thought that the skirt might even look cool paired with high boots, giving me a little bit of Yellowstone cowboy vibes. Haven't tried on that combo yet, but I imagine that it could look very nice and it would definitely be a bit of a different style for me. Just realizing that I might have gone a bit crazy with the outdoor editions, but this is the last one for now, trust me. I got this beautiful Anine Bing blazer jacket here that I was actually already eyeing last year. I made a really good deal and got it for 30% less at 24S, one of my favorite online shopping destinations besides my Parisian Bräuninger lately. It's a wool cashmere mix and I love the warm off-white tone and the interesting fit. It comes with shoulder pads and creates a really nice silhouette, I think. Perfect for combining with chocolate brown pieces in fall and also for layering during the colder winter months. Can't wait to wear this one. I did not find any white cable knit yet, but I found a really nice gray one instead from Ralph Lauren. It's actually from the men's department. I like the men's fits more as they're usually more straight and boxy, whereas the models from the women's collection often come with a more tailored fit that I don't really like. I definitely prefer my knits to be more oversized and loose. This one is made of a wool cashmere mix and it's super warm and cozy. Still thinking about getting a white cable knit from Soft Goat or from Totem, as winter whites are just a vibe, but I'm also loving the combo of grey and beige lately. Paired with grey straight fit jeans and my Ugg Tazz in mustard seed, I think this would be a very nice and cozy look, perfect for an autumnal walk through the park. Speaking of the Ugg Tazz, I added another colorway this year, and to no surprise, it is brown. As I've enjoyed wearing my beige ones a lot, they are so cozy, I decided to get them in another colorway, and this one here is called Hickory. This colorway is sold out on the Ugg website already, but I still found them on StockX for a price that was not too crazy yet. If you want to get a pair of Uggs, you should definitely go for them now because they are sold out so fast, and usually once winter starts they're all gone, and often the restock takes quite some time. My Sambas also arrived in the meantime, and I'm absolutely in love with that color combo of dark brown and gray. It's the perfect chocolatey brown. Last year I would have probably said that dark brown and gray don't go well together, but this year this color combo is all over the place and I absolutely fell for this trend. It was actually not so easy to get my hands on these. As per usual, they are sold out on the Adidas website and literally everywhere else too. So I've set up notifications at pretty much every online store that is stocking these sneakers. I also got a notification several times that they're available again, but I was always too slow to process my purchase. It was really wild. But at some point I was fast enough and I'm very happy having them now, and since then I was wearing them literally non-stop. Probably no surprise to you that I also ended up getting the other colorway that I've also shown you in my fall trends video, where I also mentioned that besides the color combo of dark brown and gray, I also really love brown combined with blush pink lately, and these summers here come in the most perfect shades of this color combo. I already have so many outfits in mind with these. Can't go wrong, and obviously also can't have enough of good sneakers in nice colorways. I am still on the hunt for the perfect light pink cable knit sweater though to match these sneakers. And another update on the fall shoes wish list. I did not find the YSL penny loafers in suede in dark brown yet, as they are sold out everywhere in my size. And I also didn't come across any nice pair of Chanel suede ballet flats yet. Still considering if it would be a good idea to get the Manolo May sales, because I'm not sure if I will be actually wearing them a lot, as I'm more of a sneakers and boots girl. If you have them, please let me know how you like them and what is your experience with them, if they're comfortable to wear. One of my friends actually is going to sell them because she says they're not comfortable, but I would like to get some other opinions on these shoes. Regarding accessories, I found a really nice pair of brown sunglasses from a brand called Velvet Canyon that I've never heard of before. I love the more narrow shape of them. I think they look effortless and cool. Been wearing them a lot since I got them. It's a perfect staple piece for all year round. Let me put them on for you so that you see how they look on my face. So that's the Velvet Canyon sunglasses. What do you think, guys? I think they look pretty cool. They're also super comfortable to wear, and they are also very minimalistic. So they just have a little golden logo here, or actually the name of the brand is here, and then on the side they have some little golden details. Other than that, it's just a perfect chocolatey brown shade. Absolutely love it. And last but not least, I would also like to show you some beauty products that I got lately from Hourglass. I curated an eyeshadow palette with my 3 favorite shades for fall. Now, when I look at it, it's basically the shades of the Sambas. One matte light rosy shade called Air, another matte medium warm brown one called Dough, and a dark brown satin one called Apt. I love this golden palette that is refillable, obviously, and I think it also comes in a bigger size where you can fit in 5 shades. I decided to go for the smaller one because that's a little bit more compact and it's a little bit more convenient when traveling. And actually I didn't find that many more shades that I liked, and I think this is the perfect everyday combo for my makeup look. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Oh, and I got one more update on the Apple AirPods. If you remember, I was considering to get them in gold, and in the meantime I got the chance to check them out at the Apple store in Vienna. And I have to say the shade is definitely lighter than expected. I thought it would be more of a rich, warm yellow gold tone, but it's actually almost looking silver. So in the store, I wasn't even sure if I'm looking at the silver or the gold ones. It's very similar. You see the difference on the top handle. I'm not sure how you actually call this thing on top from the headphones, but this one is white on the silver ones, and on the golden ones it's in a beautiful beige tone. But as said, I would have expected the shades to be a little bit more rich in color. I still think they're beautiful, so I'm still considering to swap out my silver ones with the gold ones, but I'm not 100% convinced yet. So I'll think about it and we'll see if I will swap them out in future, or if I will just stick to my silver ones, which are also very beautiful, of course. I was just thinking that gold would match my accessories that I'm wearing every day a lot better than silver. but in the end it's headphones. It's a tech accessory, but on the other side, it's nice if your tech accessories also match. So I will make up my mind, and if I should get them, I will show them, of course. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. In the next video, I'm going to style some outfits with my new pieces, so if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also stay tuned for a very nice Chanel unboxing coming up soon. I have found some pieces from the Coconage collection in Vienna. Super nice pieces, I have to say. And I'm also still planning to film a handbag edit on a roundup of my favorite bags of this season. Let me know what was your favorite piece today, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys. Bye!